Well, welcome everyone. It's been another exciting day in markets with lots of opportunity for both long side and short side trading. We find ourselves dangling at the bottom of a long-term uptrend channel. Will we break it and spill, or was yesterday's good news, of which the market held on to half of, is that good enough to build a base and push us higher? Well, I'm using oil as a barometer for directional risk on equity markets, as we know it's central to the issue. And I've decided here that oil getting back up and above a key resistive structure around 94 bucks and a quarter opens the door for more downside risk on equities. While it remains below and or comes down below the lows from yesterday, of course, that would be more upside for equities. Overall, the equity market above 66.70, more long side probability of success, and the equity market below 65.80, more downside probability of success or short trading success. How am I trading the markets in today's market? Well, let's go zoom over to my technical multi-time frame template. We're in a sell signal state with a triple S indicator on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart with the double red dots in play. The 1-hour chart stands out. It's in a mixed state. It got into a buy signal state yesterday morning when we had the blast off rampage move higher, which was a lot of short squeeze, of course. But we have seen lots of opportunity for trading within the channel since that point in time. And I took advantage of that using the triple S indicator and, of course, the Champion Trend Pack toolkit. I'm going to undock that 5-minute chart and share with you how I have been acting in today's trade. The triple S indicator gives us this incredible pre-trade conditioning where you have at least 3 signals not separated by more than 6 bars. You're left with the directional signal and price action, in this case, a down signal, price action coming down below Rob's MSR channel, double red dots coming into play, and down the market went from about 8 a.m. Eastern time in the 66.20 area down to the cash session lows in the lower 65.70s. So that was an incredible trading moment, and of course, that sell signal waxed and waned away. We got pre-trade conditioning coming back in play on the long side as well. An up signal, a down signal, an up signal, price action above the top of the MSR channel, and up, and away we went, effectively being able to take on trades from around the 66.15 area all the way up towards the 66.45 area. And it happened yet again and continues as we move in towards the end of this market day. So I was able to add a little bit more to my tally, doing some live trading in front of folks in the active trader room and wealth charts alike, grossing a little over $2,200, the majority of which was done live in front of folks, of course, in the active trader room and on wealth charts. Having great strategies to execute in this higher volatility environment is really key. And using the incredible tools and strategies available on WealthCharts has made my trading a lot better. And I look forward to sharing more insights with you on just that in the days to come. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and I thank you for watching.